Hi, I'm Carly Berkowitz, Strategic Account Executive with Allpoints. We have Brandon here with Helix RCR, and we're going to be asking you a couple questions today around partnership with your parts distributors. So what separates a vendor from a true supplier in your opinion?
So your supplier is the one you go to for everything. A vendor is when your supplier doesn't have it, that's when you go to a different vendor. For me, I'm automatically go to my supplier, and I'm probably gonna ask my supplier about those vendors, so that's just me.
So how important is proactive communication to you in a partnership?
Top of my list.
So a true supplier would be someone who's really an extension of your business.
Yes. Almost like having your own personal secretary.
So at Allpoints, you know that we offer OCM and OEM options.
Yes.
Would being proactive in our approach when you have an OEM need, suggesting an OCM alternate that could save you time, money, and increase your margins to your customers, is that important to you?
Extremely important. When we look up the part, all we see is the OEM number. We don't see anything else. But if we send that in and someone proactively responds and say, hey, well, I have this alternative, that does make a difference. For my company or where we are right now, we really do enjoy our relationship that we have with you guys.
Brandon, we appreciate that, and we love doing business with you and with Helix.
Thank you. I appreciate doing business with you guys as well.